welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm finally going to be swatching the Schmincke Supergranulation set in Forest. I am so excited for this one. I have seen it online and I have been looking forward to swatching this for a long time. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be squeezing the tubes into my Meaden watercolour set. It already has Desert and Shire in there and I've done a swatching video on those already. I will link it below if you would like to see it, or I'll pop it up in the little screen up there. But I really love those, so it'll be really interesting to see how the Forest compares to Shire. So let me know what you think. There are also the neon Schmincke paints in here as well, so if you want to have a look at that, then I have a video on those. And then these ones here are the Mayberry blue paints that I've swatched in another video as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to pop you down so you can see me swatching them and putting them into the little watercolour pans, and we'll get started. See you in a sec. Okay, so here is the box. We have 5 colours: Forest Olive, Forest Green, Forest Blue, Forest Brown and Forest Grey. Okay, so we're going to swatch these now. This is Forest Olive. So now we go. Forest Green. Forest Blue. Forest Brown. And now I won't be wondering why. Beyond my life, so now we go. And finally, Forest Grey. So what I'm going to do is, next to these 5 colours, I'm then going to swatch the Shire paints. Okay, so I have done the swatch. I actually really like the forest green, so that's all of these ones here. So the forest are on this side and then shire is on this side. So one thing to note, that if you are going to put these paints into a pan, they do need a little bit of reactivating when you are reusing them. But I'm really pleased with that. I absolutely love the forest ones. This one in particular, the forest blue, is my favorite. I think that's just absolutely stunning. And to be fair, the shire blue, which is this one here, that was my favorite from the shire paints as well. As you probably know, if you've watched my videos before, I love a bit of super granulation. I love the granulating effect on these. So if I hold that a little bit closer, you can see that there. If you don't like granulation in your watercolors, then these are not for you, so don't buy them. But if you do, if you like a little bit of that texture, then yes, they're stunning, they're beautiful. I can't wait to use them in the painting, and I'm so happy I've got them. I've got a few more that I need to swatch, so if you want to put in the comments below which one I should do next. So I've got the Galaxy super granulating paints. I have Deep Sea, which will be blues, and I also have Tundra, and lastly Haze. So if there's a particular one of those that you would like to see, let me know and I'll do that one first, the one with the most sort of comments. Maybe I'll put a poll up on my YouTube channel. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video and if you'd like to see more swatching videos and more painting videos, then please do hit the subscribe button and give me a little like as well if you enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you want to let me know which one of these I should do next, which one are you absolutely desperate to see, then pop it in the comments and I shall do that for you. Talk to you later. Bye.